So this is how you can tell if someone is watching your location on the iPhone. So there are more places and ways how the location can be tracked and shared, but generally speaking, the Find My app is the most popular or most common way how people track each other's location. So when you get inside, you can see we have a section for devices, items, people, and me at the bottom. So you can see where your phone is, but if you click on people, you're going to be able to notice right away that there isn't anything or any person currently accessing my location. I have the option to start sharing location if I wanted to with some of my contacts, but as of right now, nobody is actively seeing every location, every movement of mine through the iPhone's location tracking. So this is kind of a useful thing to check out, the Find My app, go to the people there and see what's up. In the settings, of course, you can find the privacy and security section and location services as well. And obviously you can turn it off for everything, which isn't recommended. Like I like my maps to have access to location, but at the bottom you can see individual apps. And it might be the case that some other apps might share the location, for example, WhatsApp, right? So for me, it's set to never. So I'm pretty sure that nobody can see my location through WhatsApp, right? Because inside of the app, you can like share your location and stuff. But if the app cannot even access it, then I'm fine. So just go through the apps one by one to see which apps have the location services set up the way that you want, and make sure that like the chat applications and like the social media that you are not sharing the location with anyone. And then that's basically it. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the future videos.